Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel again today. Today is all about Nigerian jollof rice. So if you ever wanted to make delicious Nigerian jollof rice but you didn't know where to start, this is the perfect recipe for you. It's simple, it's beginner friendly, and it's packed with flavor as usual. You don't need any special skills for you to make jollof rice. There are different ways you can make it, but this is a very simple recipe. So just follow along and you will have a tasty pot of jollof rice in no time. Let's get started. So this recipe begins with making the perfect jollof base. I've got red bell pepper, tomatoes, beetroot, and Scotch bonnet pepper. These ingredients give the rice its rich color and bold taste. First, put everything in a pot and steam it, because the steaming softens the vegetables and it enhances the flavor, and it will make the whole process easier. Once it's done, remove them from the pot and blend the tomatoes separately. Then go on to sieve that to remove the excess water. So removing the excess water reduces the cooking time. And I don't throw away the water. I use the water for fresh tomato juice. It is nice, just leave it chill and you will love it. Next, blend the red bell peppers, beetroot and Scotch bonnet together with some green onion, red onion, and garlic and ginger. This will elevate the flavor, trust me. Now it's time to cook the base sauce. In a pan, heat some oil and then saute onions with a little salt until fragrant. Once the onions releases their flavor and the aroma, you add the sieved tomato mix. Stir and let it cook for a few minutes before adding the blended pepper mix. This step is crucial because it reduces the raw taste of the tomatoes, so cook the fresh tomatoes first, and it also deepens the flavor. So let the sauce simmer on medium heat and keep stirring it occasionally. While the sauce is cooking, let's prepare the protein. I'm using chicken breast and turkey wings, but you can use any protein of your choice. And to ensure the seasoning gets in properly, make a few incisions on the chicken. And season with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Then place that in an air fryer until it's golden brown and crispy. Or you could roast it or you could fry it, depending on the method you want to use to prepare your chicken. Back to the sauce. The sauce is ready, but I'm not using everything, so I'm just taking the quantity I need for this and leave out some. And inside the pot, I'll be adding some turkey broth for extra flavor. You can use any broth you have, but turkey broth gives it a nice depth of taste. You can top it with water as well. Next, I'll add some crayfish for that traditional Nigerian flavor, and just a little more seasoning because the broth is already spiced. Now stir everything together, cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Once the sauce is well cooked and boiling, it's time to add the rice. I'm using already parboiled rice. So add the parboiled rice into the sauce, mix well to ensure every grain is coated. Then cover and let it cook on low heat. Cooking on low heat allows the rice to absorb the sauce properly and it prevents it from burning. As the rice cooks, check occasionally to see if more liquid is needed. If the rice isn't soft enough, add a bit of water or extra broth, stir gently and let it continue cooking. When the rice is almost done and you want a deeper red color, you can add more tomato sauce to it because this will intensify the flavor. And at this point, my rice is ready. So I went on to add some green onions and carrots for a fresh touch. Cover that for a few minutes and then stir everything together to combine all the flavors. And just like that, our Nigerian jollof rice is ready. Look at how rich and delicious it looks. Now I'll go on to place that with the fried chicken breast, garnish it nicely, and it's time to serve it and eat. This tastes so good, the flavors are perfect and the texture is just right. So if you've never made jollof rice before, I hope this recipe makes it easy for you to try. Let me know in the comments if you'll be giving this a go, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.